Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. I am really excited, you guys. I have been practicing my little snowflakes. They're adorable, and I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I have been practicing and learning. I did these nails. As you guys can see on these, I did not practice my snowflakes. I just threw myself in there. But last night I started practicing a little better, and everyone seemed to like these and requested for me to do them. So you guys can see how I do them. So let's get to it. So what you guys want to do for your nails, you want to go ahead and put your gel polish first, which is obviously your two coats. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and put your top coat. It'll make it a lot easier as we're trying to draw the design. And because we're going to go ahead and use some of this acrylic clear powder to finish our little snowflake. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 2 coats of gel polish, and then you're going to go ahead and put your top coat afterwards. And then when you guys are done, we can go ahead and start doing our drawing. So we'll take it step by step. So first two of these coats. Okay, you guys, so here we are putting our top coat, okay, which is our clear, and then we're going to put it in the lamp and cure it. So you only have to put 1 coat. It's up to you if you want to do 2. Okay guys, so we have cured this. We have our powder. I'm going to use this brush, which already comes from these. I find them to work really well. I have these other brushes, but I just felt that it was better for me using this brush. So you kind of have to find your brush, what's going to work for you. I also had tried these brushes, but they didn't work so well. So now I'm going to try this one. So you're going to need, obviously, a dotting tool. These don't have to be so perfect, you guys, because obviously I don't do them perfect. I feel that sometimes we overthink things when we're drawing, and that's what really messes it up. Now remember, you guys, I'm practicing, so I'm not that good yet. If you keep practicing, these will come out good. It's just a matter of putting the time. And now we're going to cure this for a minute. Okay, so we put a little bit of glue in the middle part. I'm just trying to get my little rhinestone. And you want to put a little rhinestone so that it looks cute. If I can get my rhinestone. Okay, so that's not working out. Let me grab it with this. So it's just a matter of practice, you guys, and honestly, you can do it. This is my third time attempting to do a snowflake. I think it's much better than what it was. As you guys can see, the big mess I've made on the other fingers. See that? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a little tutorial. And if you guys have any other requests, comment down below and I will go ahead and try to practice it and do it for you guys ASAP. So I'll see you guys here on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys, if you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new subscribers, welcome. All you have to do is hit the little bell notification and they will send you more notifications of more videos that are to come. And I will see you guys here soon. Happy holidays, everyone.